Welcome once again back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I want to show you guys around my apartment and kind of how we furnished or just put it together the whole place. So we've been here for about 2 to 3 months already. Everything in here was pretty much put together by me. My boyfriend literally let me do like whatever I wanted. So if you want to know where I live, where the magic happens, keep watching. So this is what you see as soon as you walk into our apartment, which is our living room and part of our kitchen. I wanted for the colors to be like really cool and like fresh feeling type. The couches, we got them from some local furniture store here in El Paso. And these couches, all of the big pillows actually come with a design in the back, which I didn't like. Where's the design? I didn't like, so that's why I flipped them over. The blue, the gray, the white, all of those pillows, I got them from At Home, as well as the Hello pillow right here. This right here is actually not a blanket, it's a pillowcase. I just like threw it over the couches. And then I bought this ottoman. It matched the blue pillows like literally perfectly. This one, I bought it at Ross. And then all the designs you see right here, these are all from At Home as well, except for this little wine glass that actually says Let's Do Makeup at the top. You can't really see it, but it says Let's Do Makeup, which is why I have it there. It kind of reminds me of a quinceañera, but I thought it looked cute or whatever. So this wall was really empty and I ordered these off Amazon. They're just like some little hexagon mirrors. My boyfriend hates them. He says they're like crooked, but I think I did a pretty good job putting those up there. And here, those things, we bought them at Target. Oh. So it's just a picture of me and my boyfriend with some little flowers, me and my boyfriend again, and then a little block that says blessed up there. On this side of the living room, we just have a TV. These spaces, I was actually going to put like cute little flowers and stuff, but within time, they just turned into like gaming, his Xbox, some DVD, controls. So that's kind of a mess, but I don't think it looks that bad. And of course, some shot glasses, you know what I'm saying? Guys, my light here sucks, I'm sorry. So that's the door where I walked in from, and then there's 2 windows. So it is a dark gray and then a light gray, dark gray. And then I put this together. This, I got it from At Home as well. And then the flowers from Hobby Lobby. And then I just kind of made my own little tree right there. That table is from At Home as well. And even though it looks kind of orangey in the camera right now, that part right there I think is like my favorite part of the whole entire apartment. I forgot to mention this rug, we got it from At Home. I want to say literally like my whole living room is from At Home. If you don't know what At Home is, it's a store where they literally sell like everything you would ever need to decorate your house. And then moving on over to the kitchen. So this, I got it from Ross. It was my intention to take these flowers off. I don't like them. I feel like they look kind of like cheapy looking, but I never got to actually taking them off and replacing them with some that I like. So I just kept those right here. My whole little plan when I moved in was to make my living room really cool colors and kind of like glass or mirror, and then next to it is 2 wine glasses. I actually had another one right here, but I ended up breaking it. And then moving this way is our table. Oh my god, these water bottles don't go here. So this table, we got it from an app. I don't remember the app, but I know we got it new from an app. Some little plate mats. And then the centerpiece, I made it on my own. So this, I got it from Hobby Lobby from the candle section. This base right here, you guys, we have all seen it. It was just like a plain glass base. These flowers, I got them from Hobby Lobby and then just made myself like a little centerpiece for the table. And then here's like a little frame. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. I love that verse, which is why I put it right here like in the kitchen. And I feel like it went perfect with the colors of the whole kitchen or whatever. There we have our little trash can, and then here a little cookie jar. This was full, but obviously we've like ate some. My favorite, I know how to cook, I just don't.
Same, story of my life.
The stove, a little licuadora, the tostador or whatever. Our sink, the rest of the kitchen, and a pan with freaking frijoles. I need to wash, oops. This little table, I bought it in case we ever want to eat in the living room, which we sometimes do. I just pull it out and then we go and eat over there. Here we have our laundry room. Ta-da! So these apartments actually came with a washer and a dryer. And here we have los calzoncitos de my boyfriend. So that was our laundry room. I forgot to say our fridge, we have 2 little pictures of me and him, and then this, I don't even know what it is, a business card, hello? Oh snap, I don't know if to show you guys what we have or not, but YOLO. We have mantequilla, huevo, Louisiana pickles, hello. Some beer, clamato, tortillas, mostaza, mayo, non-expired milk. Wow, God is real. Ah. So that was our kitchen. Then passing the kitchen, to my left is my makeup room. I have a whole video about my makeup room, so if you want to see my makeup room more in detail, go check out that video. I will put it in the description. On this wall, we have some little cute hang decorating thingy, whatever, with pictures from a little photo shoot me and my boyfriend had like a while back. And then to my right, I have the guest restroom. Hello. Here is the guest restroom. I meant to put something here, but I just never got to it, and now I'm just gonna leave it like that, plain. So the restroom set, this right there, that right there, this little tray, and that little tray, they are all from Bed Bath & Beyond. So it never ever fails for somebody to come into this restroom and ask why I have rocks here. I put rocks here because it kind of looks like a waterfall when you wash your hands. Watch. Like, you can literally wash your hands for 3 minutes and it's not gonna clog up, and it just looks so cute. Also never fails for somebody to ask me why I have candy in this restroom, but it also never fails for whoever asked me to actually grab one, and I'm like, that's why. So I put candy in this restroom, mint and chocolates, for whoever comes into this restroom is obviously a guest. They can go ahead and grab a little mint or grab a little chocolate. Yay, thank you for coming. And this little peace sign is from At Home as well. I rolled up 3 little towels up there. All of this is just for decoration. Do not dare to dry your hands with those towels. To dry your hands, I put this one right here, so you can kind of just lift this one up and dry your hands, and then yeah, go away. So this is my guest restroom once again. Fun fact, nobody has ever showered in my guest restroom. And then this room
It's where the magic happens.
So this is our bedroom. You walk in and we have like a long mirror here. This one is the one my boyfriend uses to like check out his outfits, and then the one in my makeup room is the one where I like stay looking at myself. So I try to make our bedroom nothing but white, black, and gray. Those posters up there, I got them off Amazon. The love is from Walmart. All the pillows are from At Home, as well as the blanket and the small blanket. The black fluffy rug is from Ross. This little thing, I'm not too sure. He brought it since we moved in here, like from his mom's or whatever. And we have a TV right there. The curtains are from Walmart. This, I'm not too sure. And then to the right of the room, we just have this right here, which is where he keeps like his underwear. That is just like for him. Some cute little candle holders that my in-law got us. Hello, is that me? And this right here is his closet. So the one in the makeup room is my closet only, and then this one is his. So his shoe, more shoes up there. I don't know why he needs so many shoes. His clothes, boring. And then here to our right is where we have our restroom. Let me say something real quick. The guest restroom is way cuter and way prettier than our restroom. I feel like that's where we actually shower and brush our teeth and change. So I never really put time into decorating it, which I know I should have, but it's not all that. But here's our restroom, like the one from our room. I hate how the light looks really yellow, guys. I'm sorry, it's just the apartment. Some little plant that I got from Hobby Lobby. My jabón de víbora that I literally use every single night. Toothpaste, our little toothbrushes, and of course, some eyelashes. One towel, and that is it. I never even got to putting little decorations up there. I just never did. I got kind of lazy. When we barely moved in, I was even saying how I was gonna put like some crazy towel decoration right here, but again, I never did that either. But I kind of like the restroom simple like this. It's so much easier to clean, and we kind of just come here, do our business, and peace. And of course, well, our shower. So yeah, guys, this is our restroom. It's pretty boring, it's pretty plain, but I like it because it always looks clean. And this right there is me. Oh, I get asked a lot where I got this mirror from. This mirror is from At Home as well. I'm telling you guys, literally 80% of my apartment was bought at Home. If you go on there, they have absolutely everything you would ever need for an apartment or for decorating your place. Batteries not included. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was kind of a short video, but it's a pretty small apartment. It's only 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. If you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. I really wish I could invite like literally every single one of you guys in here, but that is not possible. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.